Hey my people, I am AR. I'm doing good and I hope that you guys too doing good. Today in this video, I'm gonna explain you all about how to find the highs and lows for our key levels. So most of them are confused to bro how to find the highs and lows for our key level on the CRT. So finding highs and lows is simple, but in sometimes in middle of the ranges there will be highs and lows, but for that most of them are struggling on that to find it. But everyone knows how to find the highs and lows on the extreme level, so don't get confused. I will explain the clear way. So let's start the video, and don't forget to take the notepad and a pen with you, because the information I'm gonna share here is very priceless, my dear people, very priceless. So just take a notepad and pen with you. So let's start the video. First I will go with the diagrammatic form. So now here, if you see, listen carefully, the video starts here. It's very easy, my dear people, don't stress much. Now if the market is moving like this, wait, now if the market structure is like this, so everyone knows this. If this is a structure, everyone knows what this is: the low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. Okay, everyone knows it. These are the lows and high. But in most of the time, not only on the extreme highs and lows, the lows and highs will form. In the middle area too, the highs and lows used to form. Middle area here, in these types of kinds of area, in middle area, highs and lows used to form. So most of the people are struggling to find the highs and lows in the middle areas. So here I will break it down very simple manner, my dear people. Just listen what I'm gonna teach you. So let's go to the chart. So here if you see these kinds of lows, look, this low, this low, this high, high, and this low is easy to find. Guys, wait, I will show you here too. Now look, the market from here I'm going, this is a high, and this is the low, this is the high, this is the low, this is the high, this is the low, and this is the high, and this is the low. The market moves the way. So now here in middle there are some highs and lows. So let's see how to find those. Wait. Now if you see here, this is the high. My dear people, just listen very carefully. In here I am first marking the highs. Wait, this is the high, and this is an 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 high. Let me check it. Yeah, these are the highs here. Now everyone may ask me, bro, why that's all the highs? So many of them will know, bro, if you say this is a high, okay, we are accepting, but how can you say this is a high and this is a high and not this is a high and not this is a high? Why bro, why? I'm right, everyone will get a doubt like this. So the answer is, wait, I'm deleting this, only then you'll get clear. So if a wick is here, now if we gonna consider the high, means the tip, look, this is the tip of the wick, and both side of the tip there shouldn't be any wick or body. Look, if this is the tip, look, this is the body and this is the wick. Here this is the tip of the wick, the line here. Now you can get the point, no, 1.0457 and the point. Extreme, this point is the tip of the wick. The tip on both this area. Wait, brush here. This is the tip area, and both the side of this tip, this side as well as this side, there shouldn't be any wick our body should be formed. If like this scenery happen, we can consider this as a high. Okay, so this is our high. This already wait, I will mark it. So this is a high, not really high, old high. We can our key level OHP, old high. Okay, old high. Okay, now here let's see. Now why we have not considered this as a high? This, look, the point 1.04438, the line I have kept is here, you can see it. So why this is not a high? So if you see, as I said before, this is the tip of this wick. Now if you look here, this side there is no wick or candle formed here, this side is free. But if you look this side, there is a wick. The tip has been crossed. This tip has been crossed by this wick. So we can't consider this as a high. I think you guys understand clearly. Just listen very carefully. I will show some more examples so that you will get clear. I know it. So if you see here, this is the tip of the candle. Look. Now look. This is the tip of the candle. This is the tip. Okay, tip of the candle, and this is a tip of the candle. And if you see here, right side, it's the right side. Here a wick has been crossed, and this side is free, but this side of this wick is not free. Another wick have crossed, so we can't consider this as our high. Okay, so now come to here. We can consider this tip as our high. Why? I know you guys can guess it, come on. So here, now see, this is the tip, this area, tip. I have the line, check the line, 1.04 on this right side, the chart numbers, values, see, 1.04470. This tip, look, the right side of the tip and the left side of the tip, no wick or candle have crossed it. It is alone, it's alone. Look, this tip is alone. So we can consider this as our old high, this tip as too. Look. Look. This is the candle with wick. The right side, the next candle have not crossed the above of this high, even wick or body. Also the left side of this candle have not crossed above with wick or body. This tip is alone, standing alone. Look. Both the right side candle and left side candle are not crossed above this high. Can you see it? This is a particular candle, and the right side of the candle have not crossed above this particular candle. Also the left side also candle have not crossed above this candle high. So this tip is alone. Right side no candle or wick, even left side no candle or wick. Okay, only you need to consider this two. If this is a candle, and you will consider this candle and this candle, not this candle. Okay, the next two candle, this is this candle and this candle. Okay, it's alone, so we can consider this as our old high. Okay, old high. Now look, okay, come on. Now look, this tip. Can you guys answer, does this tip is a old high or not? Yeah, this is not our old high, because if you see, this is the tip, no tip. Check the charts left side, value 1.0423, and it's the tip of the candle, and I'm marking it. Wait. Tip of the candle, this, and right side none of the candle have crossed above this tip. Look, this is the candle and this candle not crossed above this tip, but left side this candle have crossed above. This is the tip of this candle. Tip means the high. Okay, high of the candle crossed above, and right side is free but left side is not free. Another candle crossed above, so we can't consider this as our old high. Okay, so now let's check for this. This is our old high, because you guys know. Look, it's a tip. So here, see, this candle have formed The right side candle have not crossed above even wick or body. Also left side candle, this is the left side candle, and even this candle stopped here. Not, these are not crossed above this candle's high, above wick or body, none. This tip is standing alone. Tip, only tip. Right side no candle have crossed, left side no candle have crossed, standing alone. So we can consider this as our old high. Okay, we can consider this as our old high. Old high, which means our OHP, our key level. Okay, so this is how we need to find the OHP and OLP. So here now I will show you an example of OLP2, which means old low push. Now look here. Look here. This is our old low. Old low. Okay. So old low. Oh yeah, our old low is this. Now this particular candle is formed. Here is wick is there. Now see. The right side candle. It's the right side candle, and this candle have not crossed below here. Below this wick. Also the left side candle have not crossed below this wick. So the tip is standing alone. Look alone. Both right side and left side candle not crossed below. Both the sides are free and the tip is standing alone. So we can consider this as our OLP, which means our old low. Okay. Old low. Okay. Can you get it? So even here, look, this is the wick form. The right side candle have not crossed below the low, this low. Also the left side candle have not crossed below this low, and the tip is standing alone. So we can consider even this tip as our old low. Okay. So this is how old low and old highs are formed. I know the whole trading industry, no one will teach you this secret, but I have taught it because I'm doing it everything for you, my people. So make use of it and make me proud. So, and that's all in this video, my dear people, and I will see you soon on the next exclusive video. And